Hello guys, my name is Joseph Sujal. I am the student of Chartered University pursuing my BTech in Computer Engineering. Today I will be discussing upon a very interesting and bloom topic called Sixth Sense technology. Let's move to the topic. So today we will be discussing upon the topic such as which device is used in this technology, then which are the components of the device, then what are the working principle of the device, then which softwares are used, its tutorials, then what are the advantages and disadvantages of this technology, and then lastly we will be conclude on this topic. So let's see first introduction. Sixth sense technology is a wearable gestural interface that augments the physical world around us with digital information. It lets us use natural hand gestures to interact with that information. The neck-mount projector and camera combination was first proposed by MIT Media Lab student Steve Mann. Further concept was developed by Pranav Mistry while he was studying at MIT Media Lab. Sixth Sense bridges the gap by bringing intangible digital information out into the tangible world and allowing us to interact with this information via natural hand. Sixth Sense comprises a pocket projector, mirror, and a camera. The hardware components are coupled in a pendant-like mobile wearable device. We will see the pictures of this technology or device in further slides. Now you all can see the similarities between the five senses and six senses. In both senses, we have sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch. But in sixth sense, we have an additional components which is a wearable pendant mobile-like device. Now let's see the components used in this technology. The sixth sense prototype is comprised of pocket projector, a mirror, and a camera. The hardware components are coupled in a pendant-like mobile wearable device, as we have seen in previous slides. Both the projector and the camera are connected to the mobile computing device in the user project. You can all see the image how the setup is done of this technology. The main components are camera, projector, mirror, mobile component, and colored makers. Now let's see the first component of this system, which is a camera. The camera is a key input device of the sixth sense system. The camera acts as a digital eye of the system. It basically captures the scene the user is looking at. The video stream captured by the camera is passed to mobile computing device, which does the appropriate computer vision computation. Now what are the major functions of the camera? First is captures users hand movements and gesture. Second, the captures the scene in front and objects the user is interacting with. And third, takes the photo, the scene in front when the user performing a framing gesture. Then last, the captures the scene of the projected interface. Now let's see the second component of this system, that is the projector. The projector is the key output device of the sixth sense system. The projector visually augments surfaces, walls, and physical objects the user is interacting with by projecting digital information and graphical user interfaces. The mobile computing device provides the projector with the content to be projected. The unit used in prototype runs on a rechargeable battery. Now, what are the major functions of the projector? First, it projects graphical user interface of the selected application onto surfaces or walls in front. Second, it augments the physical objects the user interacting with the projecting just in time and related information from the internet. Now the third component of this system is mirror. The mirror reflects the projection coming out from the projector and thus helps in projecting onto the desired locations on walls or surfaces. The user manually can change the tilt of the mirror to change the location of the projection. For example, in application where the user wants the projection to go onto the ground, instead of that surfaces in front, he can change the tilt of the mirror to the change to projection. And thus, the mirror in the sixth sense helps in overcoming the limitation of the limited projection space of the projector. Now the fourth component is microphone. The microphone is an optional component of the sixth sense. It is the required when using a paper as a computing interface. When the user wants to use a sheet of paper as an interactive surface, He or she clips the microphone to the paper. The microphone attached this way captures the sound signals of the user's touching of the paper. This data is passed to computing device for processing. Later, combined with the taking information about the user's finger, the system is able to identify precise touch events on the paper. Now our fifth component is mobile computing device. The sixth sense system uses a mobile computing device in user's pocket as a processing device. The software program enabling all the features of the system runs on this computing device. This device can be a mobile phone or a small laptop computer. The camera, the projector and the microphone are connected to this device using a wired or wireless connection. The mobile computing device is also connected to the internet via 3G network or a wireless network. Nowadays, we have come to a 5G network also. So it can be connected to 5G network or 4G network. Now our sixth component is color markers. It is at a tip of the user's fingers. Marking the user's fingers with a red, yellow, green and blue tape helps the webcam recognize gestures. The movements and the arrangement of these markers are interpreted into gestures that act as a interaction instructions for the projected application interface. Now let us see the working principle of this system. First, all the images, pictures and gestures are covered by or captured by the camera, and then it is sent later for processing to mobile computing device, and then from that it is sent to the projector to project image on the desired location. So this is the working principle of this system. Now let's see the different applications of this system, where this system is used in our daily life. Now the first application is we can use the sixth sense system to make a call. We can project the keypad onto our hand and then use as a virtual keypad to make a call. Now the second application is call up a map. Now with the map application we can call up the map of our choice and use the thumbs and index fingers to navigate the map. Now the third application, we can use this system for checking the time. We can draw a circle on our wrist to get a virtual watch that gives the perfect time. Now it can also be used to create a multimedia reading experiences. Sixth Sense can be a program to project related videos onto newspapers, articles that we are reading. Now we can also take the pictures using the framing gestures using this system. We can also use this system as a drawing purpose. The drawing application lets user draw on any surface by tracking the finger movements of the user's index finger. Now let's see the advantages of this system. First of all, it is portable. Second, supports the multi-touch and multi-user interaction. Third, connectedness between world and information. Fourth, data access directly from machine in real time. Fifth, mind map the idea anywhere. And last, it is an open source. Now let's see the disadvantages of using this system. First is the devices that we are using, the hardware devices that we are using, that they are very difficult to carry around us, and continuous power supply cannot be provided. It is also expensive in nature as its current cost is $350 or approximately 15,000 rupees. The main cost is due to that micro projector, because all the things that we are capturing and then moving to the computing device, mobile computing device, and then it is lastly transferred to micro projector, and then we can show all the things. So it is very costly. So at last we conclude this topic. 6 cent prototypes approximately $350 to build. The main cost being the micro projector, as we have seen in previous slide. So the ministry had announced in November 2009 that the source code will be released with an open source license. The open source code for the project can be found at 6th Sense Google Code and 6th Sense GitHub repository. The source code is currently being ported into Java from C# to allow the developers to make mobile ports. Now let's see which are the best products to build this sixth sense system. First is PICO projector. In that, laser we can use is AAXA, that is of $110. Then microvision is of $200. Then LED, that is 3M M Pro 110, that is of $270. Then camera we are using in this system is Logitech Quick Cam Pro for notebooks, that is of $23. And at last, microphone that we are using in this system is microphone of Logitech Quick Cam Pro for notebooks, that is of $23. Now let's talk about the software used in this system. The prototype system runs on the Windows platform and majority of the code is written in C++ and C#. WUW, that is of version 0.1 beta, is the beta version of the sixth sense code, and WUW stands for Wear Your World, a former name of this project, and this version runs on Windows. Microsoft DirectX, Microsoft Visual Studios, Adobe Flash Player, and Microsoft Outlook are also used as a software for this system. Now you all can see the comparison between the neck one camera and the projector. As we have discussed in previous slide that the man in 1990 had first developed this system, and in that system he was using a neck one camera, but after that mystery in 2009 has developed this system with the help of this projector. So that's all guys. If you really understand the topic that we have discussed on, that is sixth sense technology, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.